Hello friends. In this video, we will be looking about how to use the customization of the path in animation. For example, like this kind of a customization which can be used in the animation. Let's start. Let us take one object here from insert. I'm just taking for the time being. I'm taking one concentric circle or whatever you want to take. Just take like this. I'm just drawing it. Now what happened? We want to have a customized path, like whatever the path which we want to have in the animation that we want. So how we that can be done? Go into the animation tab there, select the drop down list, and in that drop down list there is a customized path, custom path. So what you can do, just select this. Now you are having the plus sign, and here now according to your path, whatever the path you want to give, you can just drag it down. Then the wherever you want, just keep the mouse steady, and with the right click, with the left click, you can actually just draw the path which you want. If you want this kind of a path, that can be done. So then double click just to complete your path. So, friend, this is what my path is like right now looking at. Now, suppose while drawing the path, you had an issue about the there is the haziness in the drawing. Like if you see the path is not very good, if you want it a square path or kind of a angular. So how we can do that? We can actually just select this path, and we can actually just a minute. So if we want to do this, we can just go into the effect option here, and then select the edit points. From here, just select edit points. Once you have selected the edit points, you will see all the black dots where we can actually edit it properly. So for example, I want to do like this. I will just zoom in, and then I want to just make sure that this path is this way. So with taking that one point it together, you can actually create that all points joining together. You can create that, means you can rectify your path whichever way you want. So like this is where the I'm just trying to do. You can even increase that path, bumpy path which you want. And now, one more thing which I want to show here, that when you place a point on this, these two arrows are there. These two side both. You can actually convert your path by just converting like this. Means the straight line, you can create straight line. You can just make it this way. Now, if you want this also, you can actually increase this the path kind of way. Now, if you want this way, you can actually increase this, and just using this line, you can actually drive the path the way you want. So I want like right now, if I want this should be like this bumping kind of thing. So let's see what kind of effect it will be having on our animation. Just go into the animation pane. I will just reduce this and then just play all. See, it is right now. If you want to change the timing right now, like in this our timing is very means 2 seconds time only duration is given, on which this total path it is retracing. If you want like a slow moving, we can actually go on for like say 10 seconds. I will just go and then enter. Oh, and then again see what's kind of play. So you can see it will now take 10 seconds time to retrace the total path which we are having, we had drawn. So friends, this is where you can actually create this kind of animations for lot of presentation purposes also, where you want to have a customized path according to your need, your way. This can be done. So I hope you got this concept. Let's move on to the next point, which is use of animation painter. What happened, friends? Like for example, I will just close this and I will go here. If you are looking at this point, if I go into the animation pane and just try to run this one, I am having this kind of a circle. I actually created my own path. Now I want the same copy of that path on this object also. So how that can be done? Let's see. I will just take one more circle here. I will just circle and then also insert some kind of an icon which will be very much helpful to do this. For example, I will just take a random skiing art kind of thing, or you can just select whatever type of you want in this, the symbols you want that you can do. I'm just trying to check for, let's say I want to have this person, a skiing kind of thing on a snow. I want to show this on the snow and something, but it's the kind of thing. Just let's see. Now, if I just give the animation to first of all this, and I created one path according to my custom path. I'm just creating that I want this kind of path, this kind of a path. So I just double click. So it will show this. Now you can actually increase the time also for that. For example, let's say I just done 5 seconds. But now what I want the same copy of path on this object also. So what happen if I try to do the animation of this part using, for example, a customized path? So it may be possible that I will not be able to copy exactly what is the animation path. So you are seeing that it may be possible. It so to make the job easier and to do it in a 2 seconds time, or not more than 2 seconds also it will take. I will just delete this here, and what I will do, I will just select this, and from here just select the object. From here you will see this animation painter part is activated. Just copy, just click on this animation painter, and then click on the object for which you want to have the same animation. So I just done that, and see now it is taking the exact time which the circle will be saying, and we can actually just check whether it is having the same kind of. So we'll do one thing, that I just selected this option, start with previous, to see whether it is having the same. Now play all. If you see, both are taking the same trajectory path. So I believe that you got the point about how animation painter can be used to animate the same type of animation which you want on the different objects, and with a single click. It's a very simple thing to understand, and I hope you get the point which I am trying to say. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.